I like the different.
Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Although it's a mess, the photographer had to do it and bring them there and you know whatever. But it is a mess. This
Can you tell me what are you doing? In which phase are you right now in this room checking pictures?
We're almost finished, and we're going to choose the last two categories, and that's it. We're done. It was a bit hard, but you know.
What did you see? What do you think about the pictures?
You know, it was easier with the single images because you know a single image is easier to edit in a way. Then when it came to the stories, we realized that as in many other places, you know, photographers nowadays, they do have a real problem with editing stories, and there is many stories that are good, but there is either missing elements, or which is worse, pictures that shouldn't be there at all. And you know, you have a nice set of pictures, and then you have two pictures that just destroy the whole story, and that's, you know, that's a problem with the editing, and sometimes people doesn't realize that in a story, you know, you don't need always to have all the elements. That there is pictures that if the pictures are bad, they should be out of the story, and still they put them in, and then it kind of spoils the whole thing. So it's difficult to, you know, to judge, because there was a lot of bad pictures within good stories.
How long do you think it's going to take you to finish this?
Another, you know, maybe the rest of the day, until the evening.
Okay. Do you have a suggestion for photographers that send the photos? A lot of them send the photos, but still.
Do I have a suggestion?
What to do better?
Yeah, the editing. You know, they need to learn how to edit, really. And you have to make difficult choices when you edit, and you have to realize that stories have to be made of good pictures. You know, and there is not such a thing of putting pictures, you know, to fill in. You know, bad pictures should go out. A story is done of good pictures.